Your brain is the most complex and powerful organ in your body. It controls your thoughts, emotions, memory, learning, and behavior. It also regulates many vital functions, such as breathing, heartbeat, and digestion. To perform all these tasks, your brain needs a constant supply of energy and nutrients from the foods you eat. But not all foods are created equal when it comes to supporting your brain health and function. Some foods can provide the building blocks and fuel your brain needs to operate at its best, while others can impair its performance and increase the risk of cognitive decline and diseases. In this article, we will explore the role of nutrition in mental clarity and cognitive function, and how you can optimize your diet to feed your brain for optimal performance. The importance of mental clarity and cognitive function. Mental clarity and cognitive function are essential components of overall well-being. The relationship between cognition and nutrition has been widely studied, and it is well established that what we eat can significantly impact our brain function. Poor nutrition can lead to decreased cognitive function, impaired memory, and difficulty concentrating. On the other hand, a diet rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and healthy fats can support optimal brain health and improve cognitive function. The brain requires a constant supply of nutrients to function properly. Key nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals play crucial roles in supporting cognitive function and preventing age-related decline in brain health. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can have a negative impact on cognitive function. Unhealthy eating habits can also lead to inflammation in the brain, which has been linked to cognitive decline and an increased risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. On the other hand, a diet that is rich in whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can support mental clarity and cognitive function. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and walnuts, have been shown to have a positive impact on cognitive function and may help improve memory and concentration. In addition to a healthy diet, staying properly hydrated is also crucial for optimal cognitive function. Dehydration can impair cognitive performance and lead to decreased focus and alertness. It is important to drink plenty of water throughout the day to support brain function. The Renpho Calibra 1 Smart Nutrition Scale is a device that can help you measure and monitor your food intake and nutrition. It can break down your food into 23 nutrition facts, such as calories, protein, fat, carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and connect to the Renpho Health app to track your daily, weekly, and monthly trends. Are there different types of cognitive functions? Cognition and nutrition go hand in hand when it comes to understanding the different types of cognitive functions. Our cognitive abilities, including attention, memory, problem-solving, and decision-making, are influenced by the nutrients we consume. Attention is an essential cognitive function that allows us to focus on specific tasks or stimuli. Research has shown that certain nutrients, such as omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and nuts, can improve attention and concentration. Additionally, foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries and leafy greens, have been linked to improved attention and cognitive function. Memory is another crucial cognitive function that can be influenced by nutrition. Studies have found that vitamin E, found in foods like almonds and spinach, has a positive impact on memory and cognitive function. Furthermore, the consumption of blueberries, which are high in flavonoids, has been linked to improved memory and overall brain health. Problem-solving and decision-making are cognitive functions that involve complex mental processes. These abilities can be influenced by nutrients such as B vitamins, found in whole grains, and folate, found in leafy greens and legumes. These nutrients are crucial for brain function and have been shown to support cognitive abilities and problem-solving skills. Why does nutrition go hand in hand with cognition? Nutrition affects mental clarity and cognitive function in several ways, such as 1. Providing energy. Your brain consumes about 20% of your total energy intake, even though it only accounts for about 2% of your body weight. Glucose, a simple sugar derived from carbohydrates, is the main source of energy for your brain. However, your brain cannot store glucose, so it needs a steady supply from your diet. If your blood glucose levels drop too low, you may experience symptoms such as fatigue, irritability, confusion, and difficulty concentrating. On the other hand, if your blood glucose levels spike too high, you may experience inflammation, oxidative stress, and insulin resistance, which can damage your brain cells and impair your cognitive function. Therefore, it is important to choose foods that provide a balanced and steady amount of glucose, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts. 2. Providing nutrients. Your brain needs various nutrients to maintain its structure and function, such as vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fatty acids. These nutrients play different roles in your brain, such as vitamins. Vitamins are essential for many biochemical reactions in your brain, such as energy production, neurotransmitter synthesis, and DNA repair. Some of the most important vitamins for your brain are B vitamins, especially B6, B9, folate, and B12, which are involved in the metabolism of homocysteine, an amino acid that can harm your brain if it accumulates too much. B vitamins can also protect your brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, and support the production of serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, which are neurotransmitters that regulate your mood, motivation, and cognition. Other vitamins that are beneficial for your brain are vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant and supports the synthesis of collagen and carnitine, and vitamin E, which protects your brain cells from oxidative damage and supports the function of nerve membranes. Minerals. Minerals are involved in many processes in your brain, such as nerve transmission, oxygen transport, and enzyme activation. Some of the most important minerals for your brain are iron, zinc, magnesium, and iodine. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to your brain cells, and myelin, which insulates your nerve fibers. Zinc is involved in the synthesis and modulation of neurotransmitters, such as glutamate and GABA, which are important for learning and memory. Magnesium is involved in the regulation of calcium and potassium, which are crucial for nerve signaling and synaptic plasticity. Iodine is essential for the synthesis of thyroid hormones, which regulate your metabolism and brain development. Antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that can neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage your brain cells and cause oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can impair your cognitive function and increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Antioxidants can also modulate the expression of genes and proteins that are involved in brain plasticity and inflammation. Some of the most potent antioxidants for your brain are flavonoids, which are plant pigments that give fruits and vegetables their vibrant colors. Flavonoids can cross the blood-brain barrier and exert various effects on your brain, such as enhancing blood flow, reducing inflammation, improving neuronal communication, and stimulating the growth of new brain cells. Fatty acids. Fatty acids are the building blocks of fats, which are essential components of your brain cells and nerve membranes. Fatty acids can affect the fluidity, permeability, and function of your brain cells, as well as the transmission and reception of neurotransmitters. The most important fatty acids for your brain are omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are polyunsaturated fats that your body cannot produce and must obtain from your diet. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects and can improve your memory, learning, and mood. Omega-6 fatty acids, especially arachidonic acid, AA, and gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, have pro-inflammatory and neuroactive effects and can modulate your immune response and brain development. 3. Providing modulation. Your diet can also affect your brain health and function by modulating the activity of various systems and pathways in your body, such as gut-brain axis. The gut-brain axis is the bidirectional communication between your gut and your brain, mediated by the vagus nerve, hormones, neurotransmitters, and immune cells. Your gut microbiota, which are the trillions of bacteria, fungi, and viruses that live in your digestive tract, can influence your brain health and function by producing metabolites, such as short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, tryptophan, and serotonin, which can affect your mood, cognition, and behavior. Your diet can shape the composition and diversity of your gut microbiota and thus affect the gut-brain axis. A diet rich in fiber, probiotics, and prebiotics can support the growth and function of beneficial bacteria, while a diet high in sugar, fat, and processed foods can promote the growth and function of harmful bacteria. Neuroendocrine system. The neuroendocrine system is the interaction between your nervous system and your endocrine system, which are responsible for producing and regulating hormones that affect your body and brain. Your diet can affect the neuroendocrine system by altering the levels and function of hormones, such as insulin, cortisol, melatonin, and leptin, which can affect your metabolism, stress response, sleep quality, and appetite. A diet that provides adequate and balanced amounts of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, can support the optimal functioning of the neuroendocrine system, while a diet that is deficient or excessive in certain nutrients can impair the functioning of the neuroendocrine system. Epigenetics. Epigenetics is the study of how environmental factors, such as diet, can affect the expression of genes without changing the DNA sequence. Epigenetic modifications, such as DNA methylation and histone acetylation, can turn genes on or off, and thus affect the production and function of proteins that are involved in brain health and function. Your diet can affect epigenetics by providing or altering the availability of molecules that are involved in epigenetic modifications, such as methyl donors, acetyl donors, and cofactors. A diet that provides adequate and balanced amounts of these molecules can support the normal and beneficial expression of genes, while a diet that is deficient or excessive in these molecules can impair the normal and beneficial expression of genes.